my channel, or if you're new, welcome. So I'm sure you already read the title. I'm gonna jump straight into what I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna make this nice and quick. So I got 3 of these clear shower liners. So grab whatever shower liners that you have at your Dollar Tree. And then I saw that Dollar Tree had these like 5-piece brushes. I just bought one because I figured we can just split this in half. I got this, it's a 2-piece paintbrush thing. So I got this from the craft section, and then this was from the hardware section, because I think this is for painting walls. You've seen from my previous sip and paint video, I got these at Walmart. They were 50 cents each. And I chose a painting that used these colors. I believe we're gonna only need like the blues and the greens, so. And then if you need it, packaging tape. I also got this in the hardware section. So we've already kind of cleared out this wall here. This is the video that we're gonna be using today. This is the title. I know in the last one, y'all kept asking me what video, so there you go. We ended up putting 2 of the shower liners on the floor. Honestly, you can get away with just having 2 total, but we used 3. We're just using 2 plastic lids because I forgot to buy styrofoam plates from Dollar Tree. And we've got these as our water cups for the paint brushes. And we're not sipping on wine today, we're just drinking water. Instead of using canvases, I use these $1 foam boards, and I'm honestly just going to tape them to the wall. And I'll get into the game part in a minute. So the point here is to basically paint this image onto this canvas, but the twist is that we're going to be painting one image. So instead of doing it like a standard sip and paint where we each just kind of paint the same thing on our own canvases, we're basically gonna work together to paint this. So I tried to find something that was kind of symmetrical, and we're basically just gonna kind of split this down the middle. And I'm gonna paint one half of it and he's gonna paint the other half. So I think it'll be kind of cool to try to match up each other's lines, especially in the middle, and see what the final product looks like. So this is gonna require a lot of pausing and stopping. I was trying to see if I could slow down the speed on the TV the way you can on a computer, but it doesn't work, so I'm like, whatever. These are the paint colors that he's using. I don't have, what is that, cerulean blue? I got regular blue. So we're just gonna make do with the colors we got. Now, is this your blending right here?
Listen.
What's this?
Dark blue, light blue.
How you think we doing?
I give it an A for effort.
Mm-mm.
I give it an A for effort.
Go stand next to your piece of art. Go
Okay.
ahead.
You
Yeah.
want-
You talking all that Go stand on your side, sir. I need them to judge. Whose side is better?
What you mean? It's not about whose side, but it's team
This is
effort.
a competition.
No.
You didn't see the
It's
title of the
team-
video? It's a game.
It's team effort.
No. Whose side's better?
Don't worry about that.
Whose side's better? I need y'all to vote in the comments.
Don't worry about that.
Whose side is better?
Don't worry about it. I put in effort. I tried. So I get some style points.
Style.
I tried. It was close. Close enough.
All right, y'all. So that's all. We need to go wash this off now. Bye.
Okay.